Are you ready?
Welcome to the Sly Gittens YouTube channel. The purpose of this channel is to educate you on IT security terminology, IT certifications, and learn key definitions to help you stay abreast in an ever-changing environment. So how do I do this? I make short and simple videos to help you gain the essential information quickly so then you can apply it in your day-to-day jobs or be able to help yourself personally with this different IT terminology. So why go with me over the others? I have over 15 years of IT experience, and I'm a senior technical product marketing manager at RSA Security. So I've been doing IT security for a while, and I know how it feels to be on the sales side, consumer side, and as an engineer. So I can give you different perspectives on how to be beneficial. So I need you to do three things, is to like, share, and comment.
Make sure to subscribe and click the bell to stay notified